Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a unique and easy braided turban headband. Stay tuned.
If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing.
Prepare the fabric. This fabric has a unique texture. It was written as stretch jacquard on the product description where I purchased. Some people call this fabric as Liverpool knit fabric. I just found out another name for this fabric. It was called bullet poly spandex jersey knit fabric. If you want to know the name of this fabric that I just mentioned, you can turn on the subtitle in this video. And if you're following my previous turban headband tutorial, you will know that I always start from the direction of fabric. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 6 inches or 15 centimeters, and the length is head circumference plus an inch or about 2 centimeters. For example, if the head circumference is 18 inches, the length of this fabric will be 19 inches. If the head circumference is 45 centimeters, the length of this fabric will be about 47 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half and sew this part. Turn the fabric. Prepare 3 long strips of fabric like this. In case you're wondering about the name of this fabric, it's jersey knit fabric, one of my favorite fabric for making baby headbands because it's very soft, stretchy, and comfortable. The length is about 3 times the head circumference. And I stitch the end like this to hold all fabrics together. And I'm going to braid the fabric. Braid the jersey knit fabric until the size is about the same as this piece of fabric, and I will stitch the end here to secure the fabric. Now I will refer this as the front side of our turban headband and this one as the back side of our turban headband. So with the front side facing up, put it like this and fold this one. This braided fabric should be on the right side. Don't put it like this, but you should put it like this and bring this to the middle here and use this fabric to wrap around the braided fabric like this. And sew this part. Because this part is a little bit thick, I will use a larger needle, and I don't want to talk about brands here. The most important is the size of the needle. It's 16/100. Cut the excess fabric. Turn the fabric. Our turban headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this turban headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you want to know the name of this fabric,